I kind of want to get into reaction videos a little bit. So go on into this intro and I'll be back. Welcome back, and we back. Hey, so I am Samil B, your sister, your auntie. This is a lifestyle channel, my life, my style. If you're new here, go and subscribe. Because again, don't nobody got to know that me and you got a relationship together. It's just me and you. Okay. Sorry about that. All right. So, like I said, I want to do reaction videos. And I want to do like reaction video Fridays or reaction video Thursdays, something like that. I just want to do, because I like to do a lot of laughing. As you can tell on my channel, I'm just all over the place with my commentary as well as what the hell I be thinking about. So I found 2 posts online and I wanted to share these 2 with you. So just hold your horses, okay? Hold your horses. So the first one reads, "Thing about a pretty female is that she gonna snore." Woo! That hit home. That hit home. Because I do consider myself as a pretty female. Even when I take my makeup off, I do consider myself as a pretty female. I've been told that I have called the dogs at night, as the old folks say. Yes, I have called them. I've called the hogs. I'm sorry, the hogs. I called the hogs, and I just be like, how? I be like, why don't somebody record me? Like, I just don't believe, because when I well, y'all, fuck it, y'all in here now. So if I am with a new partner, of course I'm like not trying to snore. Like, if I hear myself, I'm gonna wake up like, and I'm like, no. But I had I had a previous boyfriend that I actually fell asleep on, and I started snoring. And he tapped me and he was like, "You snoring." I was like, "No, not me. So the next time he actually recorded, and I was like, damn. And it was loud. I don't snore all the time, but when I do, I call them hogs, baby. And I know that there's some beautiful women out here that's doing a lot of snoring. It just is. It's just human nature. We can't help it. It's between snoring and farting. Like, it's like you try, like you want to hold it in and your stomach trying to hurt, and you like, ugh, God, let me get up and do this. Like, your person is like, are you real? Because you never fought around me or something like that. I'll just be like, I just don't. Maybe it's something I eat. I just don't. I don't have a need to, knowing damn well your stomach is up here bubbling, wanting to get that out. You might as well go on to the bathroom or something. Maybe I want to do an episode about that. Like, dating somebody new and you have to do number 2. Like, how does that work? But anyway, that's another episode. So, yeah, pretty girls, they do snore. And they snore loud. So let me know in the comments. Again, go on and subscribe. Because somebody know that me and you is having this affair. Yes, if you snore, if you're not ashamed of it, go on and put that in the comments. I want to know if y'all are open to sharing. I want to read it. So let's move on to the next post. This my next and my last post for the day. And I'm gonna put an email in the comments, as well as my Instagram. This Instagram will probably shoot up somewhere around here, and I'll also put my Instagram handle in the comments or in the description, so that if y'all want me to react to something, I will go ahead and react to it. So let's move on to the next post. So the next post reads from Patricia. "It's hot as fuck. You can't blame us if I stank. We know what that is, right? We grown, okay? Tiana Dixon says, mine stank every day. 100. Damn. So we just out here being honest, right? Damn, for real? That's what we doing out here? Whew. Whoa. Whoa. I wanted to like put all the words, but I kind of stole this from somebody because I just had to share this with y'all. But I'd be damn if you is out here just telling all your business and just saying if your coochie stinks every day. Every day. I know that it sweats. I know that it can sweat. I know that it can perspire just like other body parts. But to go online where it's people you don't know and just air out your online journal. Just tell motherfuckers that thing stink every day. You honest. That's somebody that's honest. That's a friend that is honest. I'm gonna tell you, that's your friend that is honest about everything. You know, that's your friend to say, hey, don't get offended when I say this, but that woman say every day. Wow. Damn. Every day. If you like this type of content, go ahead and leave a comment below. Also, send me an email with some content that you want me to react to. I will be very happy to do so. Like I said, I just want to kind of add that to the dynamic of my channel because I laugh at stupid stuff all the time. So again, thank you so much for being here with me on this journey to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, we gonna get there. We're gonna get there. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.